my name is Jackie and I'm the General Manager at UniCollege. Does the thought of planning travel to an exotic and far-off destination excite you? Or perhaps you are passionate about showcasing South Africa's breathtaking landscapes, wildlife and culture to people from all over the world. Perhaps you would like to travel the globe as a tour operator, or perhaps become an entrepreneur and work from home to book other people's bucket list trips. At UniCollege, we offer a National Diploma in Tourism. This qualification is accredited with the Quality Council for Trades and Occupation, as well as registered with the Department of Higher Education and Training.
What we teach here at UniCollege for tourism students really gives them a wide skill set. We teach them calculations, accounting, if they want to run their own business, how that would work.
Travel services, hotel reception, tourist destinations, all these subjects that we do, we learn very important skills that can be used locally and internationally, learning about different destinations. And at the end of the course, we also do Amadeus and Galileo, which is used internationally by all airlines and all travel agencies across the world.
I'm studying a National N Diploma in Tourism. So that's 2 years on campus and 18 months in workplace. I get to do the theory in campus and I get to learn what I need for the real world.
I love socializing with people. I love speaking to people of different languages, of different cultures. So to me, tourism is not just a career, it's actually a passion.
Coming to UniCollege has definitely changed me as a person, just because of the environment and how amazing the facilitators and the staff are. Everyone's very accommodating, very understandable, and it just makes coming to college really exciting every day.
First of all, UniCollege is a great place to study. We're centrally located. We have wonderful facilitators. The staff that work at UniCollege are fantastic. You're not just a number at UniCollege, and it's a fantastic place to come and study.
Simple. I chose UniCollege because I was attending in Uni High, and the fact that I was attending in Uni High just got me interested to stay into the same environment. The facilitators, they're just amazing. The management team is just fabulous. They make you feel at home. They're just beyond measure.
It's really nice that your textbooks and everything like that is also included in your enrollments. It makes things a lot easier. Other things that are quite enjoyable on the campus, there's free Wi-Fi, there's a really good resource center, there's a nice cafeteria, we do have social gatherings as well. The campus is very fun in general.
I would definitely recommend UniCollege. It's a safe place where you can come and just be yourself, not have to worry about who's going to look at you, who judges you like other universities do. It's a place where I feel like it's a second home. The people are amazing, staff are amazing, and everybody is just friendly. Small classes are amazing because it also helps us, like there's not a lot of noise, not a lot of people, and also the attention is divided equally from the facilitators.
The skills that tourism students learn during this course is really applicable worldwide. Luckily, the tourism industry is something that you will find in every single country. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, in Australia, Europe, or in America. So the main things that we will touch on is tourist destinations, which teach them about several countries over 3 continents in the world, and they learn about each destination, what they can see there, what they can offer tourists. Coupled with that, we teach them skills to become tour operators. We also teach them travel services as well as travel office procedures, and then lastly, hotel reception, which gives them a wide view over certain skills that they need across the board in a large, small or medium hotel. So when they leave here, they're quite well equipped with a wide range of skills for different parts of the tourism industry.
The wonderful thing about studying tourism is that the world is truly your oyster. You can choose to explore the world using skills that are relevant in any country, or you can become part of South Africa's fast-growing tourism sector, which is expected to welcome over 19 million international tourists to our shores by 2023. Not sure if tourism is the right career for you? Stop by our campus where you can take a free career test. One of our career counselors who are always happy to give you a tour of our facilities and answer any questions you might have. The UniCollege team are looking forward to meeting you and setting you on a path to a fulfilling and successful career.